Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the front audio jack is not appearing to be working properly on your Windows 10 computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to go and do here is open up the Start menu. Type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager listed right above Control Panel. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Expand in the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section, and then locate your audio device here. Right click on it and select Update Driver. You want to search automatically for drivers online, as well as searching through Windows Update if you can. If you don't find anything that way, you can also select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the one that's most applicable, so if there's a specific manufacturer that this is named, I'd recommend going with that over a generic driver. And then you would select Next, select Yes, and then close out of here. And then hopefully it would have been able to resolve the problem. You can attempt to restart your computer as well and try and check for Windows updates and see if that resolves the problem. Something else you can do as well is down here in our speaker icon, down in our system tray, if you right clicked on it and selected Sounds, and then you selected the playback tab. If you had multiple devices in here, you could just right click on the one you want to have working properly as your headphone or output device, and then just select set as default device. So again, that's if you have multiple output devices listed in here. Just giving you a couple options, and one further thing you can try would be to open up the Start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel, and then you want to select playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and select run the troubleshooter. And then again, recommend following along with whatever it suggests on the screen here. And then hopefully once it's done, you might want to restart your computer. Check down here, make sure your speaker icon's turned up here as well, and then hopefully I should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.